Okay, new video. So this is for those that don't want to use, or maybe you're in your phone, and I'm gonna say that, and you don't have what am I, scalar, right? But you want to use tonality, which is my other favorite. So in AUM, I have tonality set up. I have this is the MK Sensation Extreme, which I like. And then this is just my voice, so don't worry about that. So here's something cool in tonality that's been there for a while, but it kind of gets overlooked a lot. In scalar, you just press a button and it kind of maps everything to the white keys, generally speaking. So you just go in and play all the chords. Well, in tonality, you have to map it yourself, but it's still actually pretty good because right now I'm on the phone doing this, right? So I have my keyboard Bluetooth in to my phone, and if you press this little square with the hole in it right there, you'll see these numbers. That corresponds to the number on the note on your keyboard, so it'll trigger a number and it lets you know which one to play to. So for instance, in this case, and I've explained this before, the B flat minor 7, which is 36, you see it on the screen, that's the one chord. So remember, it goes 1 to 2, 37 is 2. Sorry, my hand hit the button thing. 37 is 2, 38 is 3, 39 is 4, 40 is 5, 41 is 6, and 42 rather, is 7. That's your 1 through 7 chords in the B flat Dorian. And then these outer chords are the dominants, right, of those chords. So you'll see B flat 7. And so what I did was I just took my keyboard and you can't see it when I press it, you'll see the whole chord. But I used, just like I would do in scalar, I just basically mapped it out to the notes that I want. And I did it 1 through 7, and then I added the dominants in the order they would go, which is just following, right? You're just following the same 1 through 7. So if it's B flat minor, then it's going to be B flat 7 is the first one. E flat 7 is going to be the next one, right? Because it follows the 1 2. So there's your 1 2. So I have, right? And what's cool is, even though in scalar you could technically lock the keyboard so that you don't make a mistake and play the wrong chord, well, I haven't figured out, actually I take that back, I have not tried to do it in here, but you can't do it in tonality. But what you can do is you could add a Atom roll, and Atom has that ability to lock it. Go into Atom, and I'm on the phone, mind you, so I'm gonna have to turn it sideways for a second here so that I can see everything. Okay, turn that off. Scales. So this is, what did I say this was? B flat Dorian. So set it for B flat or A sharp, and then find Dorian. There we go. Map it to the white keys. Good. Now close that out. Now you have to run your chord pads through the Atom. I think I did that wrong. Hold on a second. Yeah, I did that wrong. Chord pads through Atom, and then run the Atom into your instrument of choice. Okay, so I'm gonna put the phone down, and I'm sitting here holding it, making all this noise. And I'm hoping you can hear this because I have my Bluetooth. Let me see if I can put my Bluetooth in my headphones. Not sure if you're hearing that. I hope you are, because this will be a wasted video if not. So now, yep, the black keys are not playing. So the black keys will play on this one because they're mapped to trigger it, right? However, once you get past however many notes it took you to map these chords, then your next, all the rest of it is only white keys. So that's pretty much another way to use the iPhone to kind of have your own scalar by using tonality and atom together. So this is like a fake scalar too. And I won't even call it fake because tonality is actually dope. You just got to use it to get used to it, right? Like anything. So now you can play, if you have at least a 25, I would say, you could play the melody in the other 25 notes and still play the chords. Anyway, I think this is a cool idea. Hopefully this makes sense to you. But you basically, and mind you, if you don't choose to have these, let's say you know which chords you're going to use, you may only want 4 of these chords. That's fine. Save the 4 on one line, delete the rest of them, get rid of them. And then just have those mapped to 4 buttons, 4 keys on your keyboard. And then still run it through the same way through Atom. And now you should be able to basically have your own scalar 2 on the iPhone, and you're using tonality, atom, and your whatever instrument of choice. All right, hopefully that helps you think of some more creative ways to use your iPhone keyboards, etc., etc. All right.